Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you have a newer vehicle that has Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, but it's only wired only, and you're just tired of getting in, plugging in your phone every time, but you do want something reliable to fix this, then this is the perfect option. So this is the AutoCast Mini Nova. This is their newest 2026 model, and this thing is pretty good. I've actually tested the previous generation Mini Cube 3.0, but this is supposed to be even faster. So we're gonna test everything out and show you how it works. So inside the box, we have the adapter itself, and the build quality is pretty nice on this one. We do have a USB-C to USB-A adapter in here as well, but if your vehicle is the newer type which has a USB-C port, I will recommend get the USB-C port type, because they do make different types as well as a USB-A one and then also a USB-C one. So we're gonna come over here, down here in your vehicle's USB port, and we're gonna plug this in, and you can actually see a red light shining on my hand right over here, and now it just turned blue. So now what we're gonna do is come over here on our phone and connect it using Bluetooth. So like, since I'm doing this the very first time, I would have to do this, but after that, every time I get in the car, it's gonna automatically just connect to it and work. So here, there you go. We do have to also continue to allow CarPlay on your vehicle. So there you go. It turns on like this. And as you can see, we are gonna press on the car 2 icon when it comes here on the Bluetooth. So sometimes it takes a while, so I would just recommend turning the Bluetooth off and on again. So we're just gonna wait over here for it to pop up. There you go, it just appeared. We're gonna press over here. And there you go, pair, allow. And sometimes it will ask you if you do wanna, there you go, allow CarPlay. We're gonna press connect and continue. And that's it, we're all set, good to go. And there you go, it's gonna do this. There you go, we have CarPlay is on over here, and overall it works just as good as wired CarPlay. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna actually run a few tests on here. First, we can do audio test and see how good that is, and after that we're gonna do the reconnection test. So of course, the biggest thing for us is to have a reliable automatic connection every time we get in the vehicle. I've tested out a few cheap ones, and those, every time we get in the vehicle, sometimes they just don't connect at all, and you just have to keep on waiting um, for even like 10 minutes at a time for it to reconnect, to repair everything. So let's do this. And then the easiest way to do it is just unplug the adapter, plug it back in, because that way, every time you turn off the vehicle, it always loses power. There's my phone. I'm not gonna touch that. Come over here. Let's unplug it. There you go. The adapter's unplugged. The CarPlay turns off. I'm gonna plug it back in and see how long it takes for it to reconnect. There's my phone. And there you go. CarPlay is already on. And okay, there you go. So basically, as you can see, it just took merely around at most around 10 seconds. So a 10-second time is actually pretty good for reconnection time. And once again, we did fully unplugged it, but according to my tests, their like previous generation Mini Cube 3.0 does seem to be a little faster. So it could be a few things. It could also be related with the vehicle as well, but overall the reconnection time is really good. Just to do it one more time, I unplugged it, plugging it back in. There you go, plugged it back in. There you go, it's connected. Okay, yeah, there it goes. Now it's connected. So once again, just around 10 seconds at most, and that is like a pretty good time frame for this. So now the other thing is our audio test. So let's just do some Apple music. So there's no lag in here. Works really smooth. And then guys, if you use my code, which I will actually pin it down below, and then also on the screen, you will get an extra 10% off from AutoCast. And once again, I will 100% recommend this, not because how fast it is, but also because of the size. So there's other dongles that are just super big, but this one is super small, It just fits right in. I really do like that design. It doesn't give off an ugly vibe. And then the biggest thing of all is no cables, and the reconnection time is super fast and reliable. So please do go check them out.